Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys, then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. First, we will see general messages regarding your career and finances, then we will see love messages. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising on Venus. So recent past, present, future, your present energy, six of wands, under the deck, six of wheels. So right now you are focusing on your success, you want a big success. Some of you already got your success, if not you are going to, and this success will be like very big success. Name and fame, you will get name and fame, awards and rewards, and people around you will treat you as a small celebrity. And at the same time, six of wheels under the deck, which means you need to balance your finances, where you're spending, how much you're spending, you need to take care of that, and treat everyone equally. Donate some amount, okay, because always we have to serve others, especially for those who are in need, okay. So let's see the recent past. Queen of wheels with ace of swords. In recent past, you did a lot of hard work, you balanced your personal life and professional life, you wanted to support your family financially. Even though you are studying, you wanted to support. And ace of swords means you got some clarity in recent past regarding what to do and what not to do regarding your future or business or career. And you got some success also, whatever you're doing right now, it's a big success or small success, doesn't matter, but you enjoyed your success. Present, the sun and eight of wheels. See, the present energy is very very promising. You are doing consistent hard work, you are really laser focused on your work right now. That's why you're attracting a lot of abundance, happiness into your life, especially material success, because the sun card is all about material success. So do your work, be consistent, be honest, you will see a lot of abundance in your life. And future, the moon with five of cups. So you have to take care of your future energy, which is like overthinking, thinking about your past. You need to trust your intuition and follow your inner voice, because that will lead to your right path. And don't overthink, and don't, especially when you're stuck in past, definitely you will overthink. So try to come out of stuck energy. And five of cups means, again, accept your past and let go of your past, which is very very important. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. Five of wands, page of wands, and death. Five of wands, page of wands, and death. Again, in near future, you will go through some inner conflicting energy. Maybe you will involve in some competition. So always give your 100%. Don't think about winning or losing. Participation is more important. And you will get a good news, because page of wands energy is here. And death is all about new beginning, new opportunities. But you will go through some transformation. For some it could be minor transformation, for some it could be major transformation. After this transformation, you will find yourself more attractive than others. People will attract for your authenticity, because you will more focus on yourself. You will take care of your physical and mental health, which is very very good. But don't involve in any unnecessary arguments. So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts, your current thoughts. your person present energy, and your present energy. Under the deck, Three of Swords. For those who are in separation, definitely both missing each other. And your person present energy is Page of Wands, which means they are trying to focus only on present. And their current thoughts regarding you or this relationship are Eight of Swords, the Tower, and Nine of Cups. They're completely stuck. They're missing you for sure. Why? Because they're going through a tower moment frequently and they want to be with you, but at the same time, they are stuck. So they don't know what to do. And they're trying to controlling the feelings and emotions. They're trying to balancing the feelings and emotions here. And some of you are dealing with the Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energies here. And some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energies here. And your present energy is Ten of Swords, which means after going through a lot of trauma, now you want a new beginning. You want a fresh start in every area of your life. Your current thoughts regarding this relationship or person are Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, which like you're also in overthinking, waiting mode. You're fed up with waiting mode, but you want stability in this relationship. I think why you are in waiting mode, because there is no stability, no constant communication, because we got here Eight of Swords. That's why you literally overthink. I think you're overthinking, you're fed up with this person, you're literally missing them a lot. You need to take care of yourself, Sagittarius, which is very, very important. And some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. So let's see your person extract. So your person extraction. Judgment, the Hierophant, Ace of Pentacles, and Six of Swords. So your person extraction definitely they want a new beginning because they're missing you a lot. Finally, they made their decision and going to express their feelings. You can expect communication from your person, and it's a good news. Yes, because the Hierophant with Ace of Pentacles, and some of you are dealing with Taurus, it's sign, and they have regrets also. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Knight of Wands, the Emperor, Nine of Wands, under the deck Ace of Cups. You both have a lot of passion, you both love each other unconditionally, but some stubborn energy, some unnecessary fears or obstacles involved here. So let's clarify the outcome to get more clarity. Clarified by Queen of Swords, Four of Wands, and Knight of Cups under the deck. Death. Some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energies here. You both will be very, very logical, at the same time emotional also. You both will balance in both ways, and you both will ultimately think about the end goal of the relationship, which is stability or reunion. And you both will go through transformation. Some of you are dealing with Scorpio, water sign, Death card. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. Eight of Pentacles. You need to consistent regarding your work. Be serious, be honest, and balance your feelings, emotions, finances. Treat everyone equally, and don't think about your money like in a negative way, because every situation is temporary. And don't feel alone. Whatever you are thinking, it is going to manifest. So take care of your thoughts. So let's see energy oracle messages. Victory. Yes, you will get a big success. You will be victorious. Nobody can stop that journey. Whatever is happening in your life, it's part of your journey. And some of you right now, you have some travel plans in near future. And deceit. You have some negative emotions within you. You need to overcome. You need to work on yourself. Don't let your past hold you back, Southmore. So don't think about your past. Accept your past and let it go. Luck is on your side, new moon in Sagittarius. Some of you are dealing with another Sagittarius. So luck is on your side, Sagittarius. And a win-win outcome is your forecast, full moon in Libra. Some of you are dealing with Libra, air sign. So a win-win outcome is your forecast because luck is on your side. So let's see romantic love messages. Flirt, extend your light-hearted energy to others. Getting to know each other as you reveals your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So spend quality time with your person, then you will able to getting to know each other a lot. And deception, someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. For some, it could be the message. You have to take care of this. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.